Hey, what's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode here at Offbeat Motors. Today we're on an adventure. Waiting for for Pops to show up. He's driving up from Conroe. He's got the trailer attached to his F-150, and we're going to look at a vehicle. It might be a new project vehicle that he's going to be working on, and we'll be showing you on the channel. But figured we'd take you guys along and see if we actually pick this thing up. He's supposed to be here shortly. I'm just sitting on the side of the road waiting for him, because I beat him here. And yeah, so let's get to it. We'll pick this up when he gets here and we get to our destination.
And that's what we're buying this for.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're going to do a complete rebuild interior.
Oh, wow.
Put it all on YouTube.
That's awesome. It's a clean van. I mean, as far as the body.
Fixed.
There's got one little dent over there.
Got a back bumper. That here, that here. Get to that other stuff. Yeah, I thought it was pretty there. I found a motor and a transmission.
Did you?
Yeah, it's already in the car, running and driving. It needs a water pump, which is nothing. I work part-time. I'm retired. I work part-time rebuilding cars, antiques. Yeah, the driver's seat I figured was gone. They all are.
Especially for this age.
Yeah. What I like, the dash is pretty good. It's got a couple.
It does have a crack, but it's not bad for, especially for a Texas vehicle.
Right.
They're usually shot pretty bad.
The seats I don't care about because
Already got a mount for the CB.
yeah,
Right there.
yeah, the seats are going bye-bye. That'll go.
Furry.
This'll go.
And all that wood on the bottom could come out and get her
Okay.
down to the metal.
This is only stapled. So that's good. Yeah, this will all go on.
It's the Love Shack.
I'm going to do it with plywood.
Oh, these are lights. Yeah, it's a battery operated light right here. They got them strung all up, so
Oh,
that's pretty neat.
yeah.
Little twinkle lights or so.
Yeah. Shaggin' wagon.
I
That's what they
know.
were called.
Isn't that the funny? Yeah, he had intentions on doing stuff was never removed, so
Right.
that's all original wiring and stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Well, it was probably fuel injected, but it looks like it was out of
it was an inline 6 fuel injected.
yeah. So I got to get motor mounts off the van.
This is going to go to V8.
V8.
I don't blame you there.
It won't be injected either.
No, that's the way my buddy, he's the same way. He likes the carburetor.
Yeah, we're going to go with car. I have a street rod that I built, 1937 Plymouth. what we're looking for.
Otherwise.
Huh?
It's just no. I said it's clean otherwise.
Yeah.
It's real clean. We don't look this good.
Yeah, we're from New York, where they usually rot up about this.
Yeah, yeah.
Good rockers. Corners are good.
Yeah, the body's a little rougher than I had anticipated. More needs repair, there and there.
It's nowhere near as bad as that 69 C10 that was already repaired.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, that was a nightmare.
It's pretty bad. Alright, so as you can see, I am now home on my couch, and you did not see any footage of us putting the van up on the trailer. After looking it over, it was a little rougher shape than what we thought when we were looking at the photos and stuff online. Still worth buying, don't get me wrong. Settled on a price with the guy, less than what he was asking and stuff, and we were prepared to purchase it, but before anything took place of, handing over money or anything like that, I said, you do have a title for it, right? And he said yes, but he can't quite find it. He had it not that long ago to show somebody else that showed up to look at the vehicle, and he has it someplace in his house. He's not sure where. His wife thinks it's in their office, but at the end of the day, he's not able to find it right now. And I'm not saying he doesn't have it. I'm not saying he does have it. He seemed like a very honest and genuine type person, so I'm sure he does have it, and he was willing to mail it once he did find it, but it's not a risk we were willing to take. So we walked away from the deal at that point. Sucked. He was a nice guy. He had some cool cars out there too that he was working on.